Welcome everybody. So in this fun activity, we will see how 1 can be equal to 0. Is it true or not? Let's try to see. So starting with the binomial theorem. What is binomial theorem? Let's look it on the web. Binomial theorem. The statement of this, we can see that x plus y to the power n is nc0 x to the power n y to the power 0, and adding the terms till ncn x to the power 0 y to the power n, where n is greater than equal to 0, an integer, and this is a positive integer known as binomial coefficients. So coming back, what we have seen, x plus y to the power n is equal to nc0 x to the power n y to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y to the power 1 plus ncn x to the power 0 y to the power n. Here n is greater than equal to 0. So let's take x to be equal to 1 and y to be equal to minus 1. But we will have 1 plus minus 1 to the power n on the left hand side, that is equal to 0 to the power n, which is equal to 0. And on the right hand side, we have nc0 1 to the power n, which is 1, 1 to the power 0, which is again 1, plus nc1. Now 1 to the power n minus 1 is 1, minus 1 to the power 1, plus till ncn minus 1 to the power n. So this we will have on the right hand side. So if this is true for all n greater than equal to 0. So if we substitute n is equal to 0 in the right hand side, what do we have? 0c0, and since it has to go till ncn, this means it will go till 0c0, which is the first step only. 0c0, 0 factorial by 0 factorial into 0 factorial. We know 0 factorial is 1, so it is equal to 1. But left hand side was 0 and right hand side is 1. This means on comparison of LHS and RHS, we get 0 equal to 1. So where is the problem? So let's check it out once again. This is the binomial theorem, which is true for all n greater than equal to 0 integers. Okay, when x is 1, y is minus 1, we have 0 to the power n. Now if we put n is equal to 0, this means we have 0 to the power 0, which is an indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. We cannot compare this indeterminate form with anything. So when we are comparing the LHS and RHS in the case when n is equal to 0, that comparison we cannot do. However, if n was not equal to 0, then only this comparison can be true. So this was the mistake, and I hope you all now get this solution, and do like, share and subscribe to the channel of Ritika Gulati, and we will keep learning new fun problems. Thank you.